My name is Pastor Jeremie Kaliva Bore. I'm a pastor here in Masanta. My wife was Elisabeth Koivogi. She didn't know how to read at all.
20 years ago, I was with the Toma project in West Africa. The Toma area needed some literacy work. She was sitting by the cooking fire with a copy of selected Psalms that Jeff and Laura had published. And she was sounding them out, and she didn't even know the whole alphabet yet, but she was so excited about trying to read God's Word that she was trying to sound it out without even knowing all the letters.
I am really happy, and I give thanks to God for those who came to teach people to write and read in Toma, so they can read God's Word. I'm really happy about the time they taught us to write our names. I thank God that now I can write my name. I can write people's names, my husband's name. I can also read God's Word.
When Elisabeth was able to go to literacy classes in Toma, she was able to write Toma very well. And when she had finished that, she even learned French. So when she had learned to read in Toma, she turned around and learned to read French. And after that, even if there was just one person who couldn't read A, B, C, D in Toma, she would teach that person. To this day, I have photos of her at the blackboard teaching one person, just one, and that person would learn to read.
When I go to visit family, I read them Bible verses. I encourage them to study. I tell them, let's go learn God's Word, so that everyone can read God's Word.
April 2nd, 2008. It is with sadness that we report that Elisabeth passed away in late March from an asthma attack, leaving her husband and 5 children. Elisabeth's husband shared with us that the evening she died, she had told him she wanted to read the book of Esther. That book has not been published in Toma yet, he told her, so they read from the Psalms instead. About 2 hours later, she was gone.
Jesus says, "Go, make disciples, teach them my word." It's this verse that Elisabeth and I followed when we went to villages to teach people. We were saved, but Jesus says, "Go, teach people, make them my disciples." It's not just evangelize, then quit. No, but do it all, so they believe and understand the matter of Jesus and become true disciples of Jesus. Because now that the Bible is in Toma, it must be read. So travel must be undertaken to the small villages and places to show them they can read God's Word.